Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how you can actually whisper to anyone in Valorant. So whispering is basically talking to them in like a private messages so no one else can actually see them. So how you can do that? First of all guys, I will need you to open Riot Games first. After that, log into your account and play Valorant. Now, this page shall be open for you. Basically, there is multiple ways of actually whispering. The first one, which is just going to your party and then inviting that person, and you can just talk in the party itself, which is private if you close the party. The other way, which is basically going to that person on the right list, which is over here, and basically what you'll have to do is search for whatever person you want to whisper to. It doesn't matter if he was playing League of Legends or Valorant, as long as he's online and playing the game, you can actually send them the message. So here I can just click here, send message, and I'm whispering. If I went here and sent a message, you can see I'm whispering here. So now let's say that you are inside of the game and you don't really have this list in here. So how you can whisper and talk to your friends? Basically, what you will have to do is inside the game itself. Let me just remove this. Okay, so inside the game itself, press enter to open the chat, and then basically what you will have to do is go ahead and click tab. After that, you see that these two has appeared. So you'll just write like the first letter of the name of the person that you want to talk to. For example, here I press R or P or C, and they will give you like the full list of people that you have with this letter. So you can scroll down, scroll up, and choose the person that you want to send them the message. And just like so, for example, let me just send a message to someone. So here it goes, Mr. Omex, and here, hi tutorial. So as you can see, I have whispered to that person, and here it is whisper to Mr. Omex. So yeah guys, basically that was it. That's how you can actually whisper to people. You can whisper to them inside the game, or like using this list over here, or either you can just go here and click on tab and do the same thing. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it, and see ya in the next tutorial.